I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: a compatible phone and the mod tools. First, back up your device so you can undo changes if needed. Then enable developer options and allow app sideloading. This gives you permission to install the Dynamic Island app or launcher mod. Install the Dynamic Island Manager and its companion icon pack and grant notification and accessibility permissions when prompted. These steps let the mod read system events and draw the custom island. Once done, restart the launcher to begin configuration. Now you build the island's behavior and look. Open the manager and map notification types, media, calls, timers, to specific island zones so each event appears predictably. Adjust size, rounded corners, transparency, and animation speed to match system aesthetics. Smaller sizes feel native while larger panels carry more info. Assign gestures: single tap to expand, swipe to dismiss, long press for detailed controls. Test with sample events, play music, start a timer, and trigger navigation, so you can tune timings and interaction responsiveness. Finish by locking and exporting your configuration so you can restore it later. Enable the mod to auto-start at boot and verify notification access remains granted after reboots. If you see visual glitches or missed events, first toggle accessibility overlays and reduce animation speed. Often race conditions or heavy themes cause rendering issues. If notifications stop, re-grant permissions or reinstall the companion service. As a last resort, restore your backup or uninstall the mod and collect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.